Settings. The last tab in the Settings menu is called Backup and Firmware. The first two options are for managing the backup files. Export downloads a backup file to your PC. Import loads a backup file to your VIDA device. This is an easy way of cloning devices as well. In the same window, you have the Load Template option. There are 4 possible templates. 4 monozones in zonar mode with 4 mono inputs and 4 sources. 2 stereo zones in zonar mode with 2 stereo inputs and 2 sources. 4 monozones in mixer mode with 4 mono inputs and 4 sources. And finally, 2 stereo zones in mixer mode with 2 stereo inputs and 2 sources. In these templates, different colors are assigned per output, and some panels are already created. One to control all the zones, that is a public panel, and private panels per zone assigned to users. Some templates may be a good starting point for your configuration. Check them out. Below, in the window called Firmware Management, you can check firmware version and dates. There are 2 buttons there. With Check button, you will check if your device is up to date or not, if the device has internet connection, of course. With Load button, you can load a firmware file from your PC. Find in the corresponding device page all firmware versions. Let's check if your device is up to date. Oh, no it's not. We have to update it. There it is. It won't take more than 1 minute or 2. If you enable the switch of automatic update, the device will do so. Define when it will be checked, at boot up or some fixed time every day.